Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to remove the age restriction in your YouTube app on both iPhone or Android. If you want to see age restricted content in your YouTube app but you're unable to, then I'll show you two different solutions to this problem. Let's open the YouTube app on our phone and make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account. I'm logged in, so I'll click on this view section at the bottom right corner of the screen and that will get me to this page. So the next step is to click on this little gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and the settings page will open. Select general and our job here is to find the restricted mode option. Now if this is enabled for you, then make sure you disable the restricted mode in the YouTube settings. This is the filter that doesn't allow us to view age restricted content. So if this was enabled for you, then that's why you could not see all those videos. But if this was disabled for you and you still cannot access age restricted content, then what we will do is go back to the use section, and once you're here, you want to tap on your Google account button. And now that is going to open your separate page in our YouTube app with different Google account settings, and I'll tap on the personal info section and then find the birthday section. Our job is to change our date of birth in here so that we are over 21 years of age, and if it's 15 or 17 years old, then that's probably why you could not watch age restricted videos. So what I recommend you to do is to set your birthday in here so that you are over 21 years old and save your changes. Then restart your YouTube application and you should be able to access and view age restricted videos in the YouTube app now. Thanks for watching.